Hi everybody and welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today we're going to be making banana bread. For the banana bread we're going to be needing 3 ripe bananas, or 2 if you have fairly larger bananas, half a cup of sugar, 1 1/2 cup of flour, baking soda 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/3 of a cup of melted butter, and 1 beaten egg. Let's get started. So I have a big or a large mixing bowl set to go. I've put the bananas in, and all you have to do is take a big fork, a smasher of any sort. If you have a potato smasher, you can use that, or you can use just a big fork like I am right now. Make sure you do a fine job of smashing this so you don't get chunks of the banana in the banana bread. It's going to go very quick once we have this done. So make sure you have your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I also have half loaf pans buttered and floured, ready to go for the batter. Like so. And you just want a smashed consistency. Okay, next we are going to take our dry ingredients and pour it in and get this quick whisk just to distribute the dry ingredients in there. I've mixed the dry ingredients together. Now we're going to do the same with the wet ingredients. I've combined the wet ingredients in the bowl, and now I'm going to give that a quick stir. And this is now ready to be all combined. We're going to go ahead and add the flour first with the baking soda and the sugar into this smashed banana mixture. And then we're going to go ahead and just pour everything together. And just give it a quick stir, and it's going to come together very quickly. You'll see the consistency is going to be a wet dough, fairly sticky. Just work it in. And this is the best part of making banana bread. It's very easy, bakes in about 45 to 50 minutes in the oven, and you can have it for breakfast or for a snack. You can also put raisins on the top if you'd wish to do that, or cranberries, nuts if you don't have anybody allergic to nuts, and really take it with whatever you have handy. Alright, so if you do have some chunks, I like to mix the batter with the fork that I've started with in the first place, just because if you do come up with larger chunks, you can just smash it up. Alright, you can also put the dough in a full loaf bread pan if you like. We're going to see how much of it is going to fit in the half loaf real quick. And it's going to go in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. We'll be right back. That one portion fit perfectly in a half loaf pan. So what you want to do is just drop it on the counter a couple of times to release any of the air bubbles underneath it, so it will cook much evenly that way too. It's ready for the oven. And here we have the banana bread. It is super easy to make, wonderful and moist in the inside. Makes a great complement with tea or coffee, especially in the morning. Also makes a great snack for the kids to take to school with peanut butter and jelly on top of it. They're gonna love it. If you guys make the recipe, leave a comment down below, and hope to see you guys back soon. Take care.